horses? Here you go. Try to be the best as I can. Hungry horses?
Hungry horses. They're just they're looking at you like, I don't know about this.
Are you guys hungry?
Don't throw anything. Not a good idea.
Hi, horses.
Okay. Let's go, guys.
Oh man, I still want to eat them.
Well, you already did a little bit, dear.
You got a customer.
You got a customer? You got a few.
Hungry? Hungry? Jabba, sit. Sit.
Hey.
Sit.
He's so wet. That's awesome.